Presido Tinubu don flag off the construction of the Annex Office of Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for Abuja. He tok say the building show say Naija serious about better election, independence for INEC and democracy wey go grow well. As the groundbreaking ceremony shele on Tuesday, Tinubu tok say the event na big one for the whole country. He officially opened the construction work and tok say the new INEC headquarters go stand as pillar of democracy, accountability, transparency and national unity.
Our democratic institution, bless Nigeria and continuous journey for this democracy to flourish and be a success for the country.
Tinubu still hailed the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, for starting the project. He said the move na another step to protect democracy well. According to him, the project no be just ordinary building, it shows say government is serious to make democracy strong.
Our democracy is still evolving, and as it is growing, so too must the institution that support and protect it. We are committed to ensuring that INEC is fully equipped, not only in infrastructure, but in law, policy, and resources to carry out its constitutional mandate with courage, fairness, and excellence. That is necessary, and the courage to lay a stronger foundation for our democracy and bridge the institution, democratic resilience in Nigeria. To the contractors, supervisors, and stakeholders involved in this project, let quality, speed, integrity, transparency guide your work. You are not just building an edifice, you are building trust in our nation. To all Nigerians, I say, this democracy is not a destination but a journey. Together, let us strengthen our institutions, safeguard our freedoms, and protect the future. On this note, I hereby flag off the construction of a new independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) headquarters in Abuja.
Tinubu still tok say Wike get better vision and commitment for the INEC headquarters project, and he really deserve praise for that. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.